So we're here at the Movenpick Resort, Khao Yai. I'll just quickly do a room tour here. So this is a executive deluxe room. It's huge enough for two adults and children. So you have a safe in there. You also have a bathtub. That's the shower. There's a his and hers lavatory. There's the toilet, and then there's a bidet, which got a leak the other yesterday. So this is the huge room. It has actually two balconies. This is the smaller one. Then there's like a 32-inch TV in front of a makeup fireplace. That's a chair. There's a king size bed. Then here's the balcony. So you have a view of their golf course. That's the end of our tour. See you next time.